Today we will talk about the guidelines for writing and organizing your research paper. But before that, let's define what really is research. What is research? The term research comes from the French word, researcher, which means to travel through or to survey. Webster defines research as the systematic, patient study, and an investigation in some fields of knowledge, undertaken to discover and to establish facts and principles. According to Calderon and Gonzalez, 1993, research may be defined as a purposive, systematic, and scientific process of gathering, analyzing, classifying, organizing, presenting, and interpreting data for the solution of a problem, for prediction, for invention, for the discovery of truth, or for the expansion or verification of existing knowledge. All this for the preservation of human life. Now, let's go to the guidelines for writing and organizing your research paper. Number 1. Title. Title is the main issue of the paper and should have the fewest possible words that adequately describes the contents of the paper. Number 2. Abstract. The abstract summarizes the essential details, purpose, objectives, methods, findings, interpretations, significance, implications, or recommendations of the paper. Number 3. Introduction. Introduction serves the purpose of leading the reader from a general subject area to a field of research. It also establishes the context of the research being conducted by summarizing current understanding and background information about the topic. Stating the purpose of the work in the form of the hypothesis, question, or research problem. Briefly explaining your rationale. Methodological approach. Highlighting the potential outcomes your study can reveal. And describing the remaining structure of the paper. Number 4. Review of related literature. The review of related literature or theoretical background or literature background consists of a collection of pertinent reading, published or unpublished, in local or foreign settings. It helps the researcher look for possible theories, concepts or principles to support his investigation. It can reveal investigations like your own, and it can show you how the collateral researchers handled these situations. It could also reveal to your sources of data that you may not have known existed, and it serves as a guide to writing the findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Number 5. Methodology. Methodology is an outline on how you performed your study. Number 6. Findings, or results. In the findings are the results of the study. The authors systematically and clearly announce the study findings. Number 7. Discussion. In research, discussion is considered as the most important part of a research paper, because it most effectively demonstrates your ability as a researcher to think critically about an issue, to develop a creative solutions to problems based on the findings, and to formulate a deeper understanding of the research problem. Number 8. Conclusion. Conclusion is intended to help the reader understand why your research should matter to them after they have finished reading the paper. Bear in mind that conclusion also is the synthesis of key points. Number 9. References. References is a list of sources used in research. Number 10. Appendix. Appendix is a supplementary material usually attached at the end of your research. And that ends out topic. Did you learn something today? If yes, let's have some activity. Activity 1, entitled Make a Match. Listen carefully. Here is the instruction, get to know some research terms. Match the description in the premises A with corresponding section names listed in column B. Write only the letter of your answer before each number. 1. Blank presents background information, scope, and focus of the research paper. 2. Blank provides a review of what others have written or researched on concerning the topic. 3. Blank explains how the research was conducted. 4. Blank presents the information gathered through the research. 5. Blank evaluates the results of the study or research. 6. Blank provides the summary of the research. 7. Blank lists all the sources used in the research. 8. Blank contains other related information such as graphs, charts, tables, lists. 9. Blank summarizes all sections and helps readers decide whether or not to read the entire report. 10. Blank, a systematic investigation to contribute to an existing body of knowledge. Column B. Choices. A. Methodology. B. Literature review. C. Introduction. D. Reference. E. Discussion. F. Conclusion. G. Result. H. Research. I. Abstract. J. Appendix. Start your activity now. Enjoy answering.